everything changes. Introducing the Sig Sauer P250. One gun, infinite possibilities. One gun transforms to work for different users and different missions using revolutionary design features. Interchangeable grips in 3 sizes, small, medium, and large, to fit any hand. Interchangeable trigger, standard or short. 3 families fit the mission: full size, compact, and subcompact. Interchangeable barrels and slide assemblies let you change calibers and length depending on your mission, from 9mm to 357 Sig, 40 S&W, or 45 ACP. With an ambidextrous slide catch lever and reversible magazine catch, the P250 offers left or right-hand control. The impact? One gun, any mission. One gun fits all. With its steel frame fire control unit, the P250 is as accurate as all classic Sig Sauer pistols. The slide rides on solid steel rails, and the slide travel is stopped by steel. Because it's flexible, it's affordable. The same gun can be adapted for a new user instead of buying a new or second pistol. Easy to administer. Multiple configurations from one gun with one serial number. The P250 has 30 to 40% fewer parts than traditional semi-automatic pistols. It's easy to maintain and disassemble. Fast to clean and inspect. With a little practice, the P250 can be disassembled in under a minute, reassembled in just over a minute. 2 minutes total to take it apart and put it together. Contact a Sig Sauer representative today and visit our website, sigsauer.com. The P250. Any mission, any shooter, one solution.
Always make sure any gun you're disassembling is unloaded by removing the magazine and visually checking the chamber.
Hello, my name is Ethan Lassard. I'm a design engineer at Sig Sauer. Today we're going to go over how easy it is to disassemble and reassemble the P250. Start by locking the slide back, removing the magazine, turning the takedown lever, field stripping, recoil assembly, barrel, slide, remove the takedown lever, pull up on the front rails, cock the hammer to remove the receiver subassembly. You can select from any of 3 grip modules. In this case we'll select the small. Place the assembly back into the grip module. Put the takedown lever back in. Put the barrel on the slide. Recoil assembly. Lock the slide back, turn the takedown lever. The gun is back together.